Back to the second quarter right here. Girl just went for the steal right there is Sanaya James. There's another shot. Sanaya James is a signee at LSU for volleyball and basketball. She's a nationally ranked volleyball player and coach's daughter. She's a senior. Good block, Lizzie.
There we go.
The strike should throw the ball off Jordan's backside right there. She's not even looking for the ball. There it is. You see how sneaky Coco is? Coco just tipped that ball like that. And we got a three-point play right there. All set up by Kalina Smith. You know, that's what's hard with these game videos is unless you're a coach or a scout, you're not really looking for the subtleties of the game. And Kalina's one of those players that makes things happen out there.
14, get the award, shooting 1.
And there's Kalina again. Got fouled on that one, but no call. This is a bittersweet game for the Arlington Eagles. So this is the end of it, and they've had a great season with a great group of girls. And that's typically what Kalina will do in the game. She just sliced right through there. She could score 50 points a game right here. Kendall Ward, who's a sophomore, at 6'1" with some unbelievable long runs.
Number 34, Anthony Creel, in for Unity Christian.
She got frustrated on the bad pass and ended up fouling the girl. Arlington's been playing smarter defense today. They don't have as many fouls as they normally do. And there we go, Sanaya James. Easy.
Number 15 is now 10 for the layup for Arlington Christian.
Oh, Coco, don't stop. Shoot the ball, Lizzie. Shoot the ball. Way to fight for the ball, Lizzie. You almost had that ball right there. Good tip. Good block. Come on, Lizzie, get up there. Shooting two. Shooting two. Dad over there's a little upset, but it's 25-6, so I really wouldn't worry about it too much. This is our senior tonight, James. Don't get excited if you're a scout. She's already signed. But she's a heck of a player, heck of a kid. Arlington Christian turns out some great boys and girls basketball players. So if you're looking to fill a team, this is a school that you should be scouting. Off with that shot right there. Come on, Lizzie. Here it is. Good job, Jordan. Smart play. Very smart play. Here goes Kendall again. There we go. Coach actually has 3 daughters on this team. We're hoping she puts Mackenzie in the game with her sisters. Mackenzie is an 8th grader playing on this varsity team. She's sitting on the bench right now. Here comes Kalina Smith. Looking to make something happen. Lizzie had said before the game she wasn't going to shoot so much. She wanted to see Coco and Sinai get their shots. That was not a good foul on Lizzie's part right there. She could have jumped and blocked it. We're 34-6 with 3 minutes left in the second quarter.
Number 2.
Got some substitution for Unity.
Number 5,
I think they're missing one of their players.
Number 20, Julia Yankowski for Unity.
And good shot. Here comes Lizzie with the ball. Pass to Jordan. Now set for the ball.
Number 11, Bailey Lent.
Lizzie sitting down. That was not a good shot for her on that one. They're going to end up having to put Lizzie back in just because she's such a defensive player, but the game, they're up 27 points at this point. So. Offensive foul. I'm not really agreeing with that call, but it is what it is.
That's a horrible call.
They'll give it back. It's all right. Here goes Queen again. She should go all the way and score on this. Nope, she's slipping. This court hasn't been clean between games, so it's really slippery out here today for them.
Number 14, Kate Johnson in for Unity.
we were at Creekside's facility today, and Shaq O'Neal was gracious enough to help them put this facility up. And his name is the door on the court right there. His son played varsity basketball here last year. Don't be confused by the score. If you mess around with this Unity team, they will come back. That's freshman Bailey. And she'll go to the line for 2. So Elizabeth Lewick getting ready to come back into the game. Bucket. Bailey's usually about a 90% foul shooter. Coco's taking a seat. See, he changed his pronunciation. Now it's Luwak. It's all good. We know who he is. Nope. Look at Heaven with the rebound. Come on, Heaven. Heaven is a sophomore. Lizzie with some good D and a tip right there. This girl right here is young, I believe. She's going to be a big player in years to come. For Unity. There's a nice tip block right there. Pop. Snag this drive and score right here. Elizabeth on the assist. And now Bailey, our freshman, with that drive, and she'll hit this foul shot for a 3-point play. You can expect to see big things out of here the next 3 years. Bucket. He's shooting. Good D. Good block. Elizabeth Luke with the block right there. That was nicely done. You know, it's very hard when coaches and scouts look at huddle or look for through the ball away. When they look for stats online, small schools like this one, Arlington and Unity, they don't have the resources to necessarily be on huddle. Arlington's not even on huddle. Well, they are, but they're more on max preps. They're not on huddle at all. They don't have the budget for it. And so there's not a lot of video highlights for any of these kids, and the stats on max preps are missing about half the games. Hustling for the ball. So a lot of coaches like that kid. Elizabeth's just a good overall player. Heaven inbounding the ball to Sanaya.
35 seconds.
He's going to go for it. No reason to foul out.
Number 4, Lizzie Pardue at the line.
Another Lizzie for Unity, just shooting on the line right now. And there's a bucket. Nice shot. shooting. 25 seconds to play. Nice pass from Lizzie. Going for it. Three-point basket from Heaven.
Number 2. Kevin Williams.
No shot.
Good tip from Lizzie Lewick. She's got a hand on it. And that'll bring us to the close of the second quarter.
In the first half,
Here, Kidside.
Arlington Christian Eagles